Dog teaches life lessons. Eddie's world turns upside down when his dog, Mr. Sniffles, looks up from his kibble and says, "Are you living a life of virtue, Eddie?" Shocked but curious, Eddie tries to justify eating the last donut, but Mr. Sniffles counters, "Does that choice reflect your best self, or just your hunger?" Each day, Mr. Sniffles scrutinizes Eddie's decisions, quoting Aristotle and demanding he practice virtue ethics, a philosophy about developing good character. When Eddie skips the gym, his dog asks if that's what a truly courageous person would do. Eventually, Eddie starts considering what kind of person he wants to be, not just what he wants to do. By the end, Eddie realizes living well means more than clever excuses. It means actually being good, even if your dog is watching.